Probably the biggest thing was a lack of self-belief in myself, thinking that maybe I didn't have enough experience in my role and kind of a bit of a lack of vision for myself and where the future was going.
I thought by being angry and direct with people that's the way I needed to behave as a female director.
I was suffering from quite a lot of imposter syndrome. I didn't have a huge amount of confidence or belief in my own abilities.
In the industry that we work in construction, it is incredibly fast-paced. We're often doing a million different things at once and it's quite a reactive place to work. Before starting this course, I was probably a little bit of a busy fool and just running around all the time trying to get everything done but not being particularly strategic, and I think this course particularly helped me to reset that and to start thinking differently about how I work and what I can achieve.
I do feel this course is supporting women within the construction industry to change that systemic idea that this is an industry built for men, and for your male counterparts to recognise that you are capable of the exact same work that they are.
I think before doing the training I was a bit sceptical because I have had training before and coaching, but it hasn't really hit the mark, whereas this training has just completely surpassed all my expectations.
I've been on quite a lot of programmes and I would say it's probably the best course I've ever done.
I've definitely a lot more confidence in my ability. My outlook on myself changed. I feel like I've got a self-belief in myself now that I can do it, and because of that I'm more open to trying new opportunities, put my hand up and asking questions, to be taking on challenges I wouldn't have done before.
It lets you grow from who you thought you were, and you can really change the way that you think and just become more positive, confident, empowered.
It just made me feel like I wasn't the only person feeling this way and that other females were feeling the same way as me.
The Power Within training is different because it provides a completely different aspect to a leadership style course. Predominantly I've done coaching courses, which gives you an abundance of skills. I was actually thinking that it would probably be a lot of the same, but it really goes into a lot about self-esteem and self-confidence and actually really looking for the root of the problem and the challenge. Rather than just trying to fix the problem, it's understanding why the problem is there in the first place.
It was like a light bulb moment for me. It was literally like a switch was flipped and I started realising all these different possibilities, and a lot of what I'd learned growing up wasn't necessarily how things are or true now.
Incredibly empowering, and that is how I feel moving forward and taking what I've learned into the rest of my career.
This programme is so much different to anything else that I've probably done before, because I've seen it firsthand what it can do to someone.
I used to think that other people had more of an influence on what was going around, but actually I think that I've realised I have an influence on what's happening, and just because you're not the manager doesn't mean you're not the leader.
Seeing directors and other people in the industry really having the confidence and building their confidence throughout the course, as well as myself, I can't even praise it highly enough. It's made such a huge difference to me.
I would recommend the Power Within training to other people. It really sets you up for success. At the end of the day, the only person ever holding you back from something is yourself. It's a bit refreshing because you don't feel so alone.
Life-changing, definitely life-changing.